saw my stuff. I saw my stuff. I saw my stuff.
I'm stuff from the cuffs.
I saw my stuff. I saw my stuff. I saw my stuff. Wait.
Stuff from the cuffs.
We are drive. We are go on the
Drink
road.
me water.
Yeah, he must start now. You.
Okay, alright. Go on.
Stuff from the curves. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. 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 Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs.
Ah, that is so funny.
I saw my stuff. You know, you never did that to me. Let's find out. Let's find
You
out.
sure?
Yeah. Let's find out where you've lied to me to save me.
It's not lie.
Yeah, it's not lying.
Is it a lie if you don't tell the truth but say nothing? Is it a lie?
If you don't say anything but
at
allow
all.
it to look like it was.
No, that
I
is your
cook for you.
assumption.
If I cook for you and it tastes bad and you pretend that it was all good, that actually hurts me in the long run.
How?
Because if I go somewhere else cooking
But
and
we
say,
not saying they're gonna wait for cook.
you'd have to send me anywhere to cook.
Me
I
not
could go on
send
a
you
work
go-
trip or whatever and we 4 or 5 hours in the apartment and say, yeah man, make a cook, and my wife said,
You're brave.
you are going, yeah, but my wife gave me that. But not if I proof. Guys, some of stuff. Run the track.
Guys.
Run the track. We could do the intro.
I saw my stuff from
Stomach stuff. I saw my stuff. I saw my stuff. I saw my stuff.
stuff from the cups.
I saw my stuff. I saw my stuff. I saw my stuff. Wait.
Stuff from the cuffs.
No, I like the little vibes, you know. You know, me hearing that sing. Me hearing
1, 2,
that sing.
3, and
I saw my stuff. I saw my stuff. I saw my stuff. Wait.
stuff from the cups.
I saw my stuff. I saw my stuff. I saw my stuff. Wait.
Stuff from the cups.
We are drive on the road. We are go real far. We are drive on the road. We are sit down in the car. We are drive real far. Basilia go do gospel.
Gospel star. That's all I
Can't be the
have.
ready man do the thing though.
That's all I have today.
No, we could have cut that track. Cut that CD. Hey guys, it's stuff from the cuffs. And we give you the fire with fun.
Inspirational
The real.
and your educational. You look dark.
Yeah,
Are you
I'm sitting
open a day? Right.
4. I'm sitting back.
Okay.
How are you guys doing?
We're doing fine, thank you.
Okay,
God
guys.
is good.
Okay, guys. Okay. Go Flings
I'm
fam.
back in Jamaica and I'm so happy to be home.
Tell us in the building.
Love you guys. Welcome back to another video. So we started the video laughing because I saw something that Brian sent to me on Instagram and I'm going to read it for you and give our 2 cents. So I cooked dinner for my girlfriend last night and I thought I did a good job until we were watching videos on her phone. And a text from her mom popped up and said, I'm sure he tried his best. Just eat it. Ladies, that's why you don't. After you send these kind of messages, you don't watch anything on the phone with your partner.
Oh wow.
Just in case.
Oh wow. So instead of telling the people them what not to do, you're telling them to do it and then
No, but nothing is wrong
Okay.
with sharing that information. It may not be.
I imagine what the mother, what she wrote to the mother. Tell me what you think she wrote.
Maybe
to the
she
mother.
said, oh my God, mom.
Mhm.
Let me tell you what I would write. I would say something to mommy like, Mom, Brian cooked. Oh God, he really tried.
No, because she said she really tried. So
That's not my mother.
You would have said.
No, but that's
but
not my.
mommy, it
No,
never cook good or
no,
it
I
never
wouldn't
taste
say
good.
that. I wouldn't say that. So I'm telling you what I would have said to my mom and what my mom would have probably said to me. She probably said to her mom and said, "Lad," but I would have said that. And I said, "Mommy, oh God, Brian really tried his best. I'm not gonna eat it. Me not gonna hurt him feelings."
Why you not gonna hurt my feelings? Better you hurt my feelings.
No,
Better
because
you
if
hurt
you
my feelings now than allow me to think I was the best chef ever. I go on social media.
But I won't let
brag and
you
I
feel
post,
that way either.
And then I go.
But I'd say thank you and I won't complain.
Yeah, but you don't.
But I wouldn't be like, oh gosh, babe, this is so good.
But you won't give
top
me any
chef.
indication that it don't taste good either.
No, I would just say thank you.
And eat it and go sit down one
I
side.
would eat it and I
You'd eat
would.
all of it?
Maybe not. But I'd eat some.
Babe, all of a sudden my belly is full. Oh, you were just starving.
But I'd eat some and I'd say, you know, this could do a little different or that could, because I've done that with you before. Or that could do a little different.
You done what the girl did to her?
No, I've said to you before that this could do a little bit different or that could do a little different. I think you should probably, you want to drive that way?
We just like start watch movies by your phone so we can see the reply.
No man. But I don't know what she said to her mom, but that is probably something I would have said to my mom too. I'm like, oh God, he tried. Like the Mother's Day when Brian cooked for us and...
We don't need to go back into what happened.
Oh Lord.
It was a rough.
And I ate it.
And the children were like...
And Bria and Bella were like... Bria said, no, this doesn't taste good. Bria was probably 4 at the time, and you know, children have no filter. You want to know the truth? Ask a child. Bria was like, this doesn't taste good. Oh God, I feel so bad for Brian. But I didn't make him feel, because for me, if I see that you did your best, then I'm going to be gracious and try and eat it as much as possible, as long as I know that it not vaporize me.
And help me to be better next time.
But me now go say...
How do you help me to be better without crushing my...
How do I can give you suggestions as to what to do better. Let me tell you guys, Brian cooks shrimp and pasta excellently.
What did I cook recent?
This Mother's Day, he did such a good job.
What's
He
that, chicken
cooked
breast with
chicken.
Callaloo.
I don't know where Brian got that from, but he cooked like a callaloo stuffed chicken breast, and he cooked, what kind of shrimp was it? Barbecue? Sweet and sour?
I don't remember.
It was a shrimp, a kind of shrimp. Pasta? Yeah, it was good. And I think he has got to the stage where when he wants to do it on his own, he will go to YouTube and find videos or get recipes online, which I appreciate. One time, he don't know how to cook, and he don't want nobody tell him anything. Nobody. And that is why he ended up the way he ended.
You just know that sugar must in there, you know that salt must be in there. You don't need to know how much.
One time,
you don't need to know how much.
One time, Brian cook one chicken.
May the Lord guide you.
Brian cook one chicken, right? And the sauce on the side. And guys, the sauce right now, the sauce having the ketchup, the vinegar, the powder seasoning. Him not cook it down so that everything infused and nice together. The man have it on the side just as is. I never eat it still because I don't run them joke with my belly. But
this is supposed to be like the intro to the vlog or a little piece of the vlog. I ain't turning it into a full vlog and testimonial.
Well, that is what we're doing today.
Confessional and
that is what we're doing today. So yeah. But would you tell your partner? I do. I think it has a lot to do more with how it is said and done versus what is said.
Sarada, man. Jesus.
Mighty God.
Healing.
Mighty God.
Bunks about.
No, sir. That was just an exaggeration, guys. But yeah, I think it has a lot to do with how it is done versus what is said. Because I can tell Brian when something tastes good. And even Ram fi tell me when it's salt or something.
You are the big chef.
Even Ram fi tell me when it's salt.
You are the big chef. I think the truth is couples need to move from, we've been speaking about it, the romanticizing part of it, and be real. Have the conversation, babe. Cooking is not your best strength.
Well, I don't have to tell you that anymore.
Yeah, but
there are some things, right? There are some things that you. There are some things that you actually know how to cook well. And I remember when we were getting closer to this Mother's Day.
I don't agree with the telling of the mother or the best friend or the girlfriend. Can you imagine if you drop that in a girlfriend's a girlfriend's...
I wouldn't do that.
No, alright. Imagine she dropped it in a girlfriend's chat. Every one of those girlfriends that see the man now.
Maybe she didn't say anything bad. Maybe she just said to her mom, what should I do? Should I tell him? Cause that could be, Mom, should I tell him
why
that
mom have to get involved?
Good?
Why you can't just tell him?
Because we want to talk to my mother. Me want to talk to my mother. Left. Me want to talk to my mother, so me that tell my mother if I feel like. I would say, Mom, should I, like, Mom, oh gosh.
How you feel if the shoe was on the other foot?
So I'm going, no.
Me message all of my brethren them.
Nah, no.
Me message
why
my
you don't
brethren
message
them.
your brethren them?
My brethren them.
Our broadcast? Our
I'm
keep.
say, yo, boss can't.
No, do it now, do it.
Yo, my boss cook something for me that day.
Do it now, man. Do it, yeah. That you must do.
No, man.
That is what you must do.
But these are my close brothers.
Brothers different from your mother. Fingerler.
I'm not going to tell mommy that. My mommy don't talk about that.
Well, don't talk to nobody.
Can't tell me that.
Okay, then you can't tell me neither. Drop it to that praying wives group. I said pray for him.
Yes.
But anyway, as I was saying, leading up to Mother's Day this year, I was saying to Jen, as my sister, I was saying to her,
Lord God, Brian no cook.
No.
Lord God, Jen, Mother's Day coming out, Brian no cook.
No, so when he told us that he was sending us out for brunch, we were like, okay, all right. And we thought we were going out for dinner as well.
And you make me feel bad when we send him for brunch. That's what you were wondering?
No.
Oh.
So I said to Jen that when Brian told me that he's cooking, I said to Jen, I hope he's cooking shrimp. Because Brian can cook shrimp. No matter how him cook it, he can cook
Nah,
shrimp.
spoil that.
He not spoil the shrimp. You see,
guys,
stick
to what you will not spoil. That is it.
When me see the chicken breast out, me say,
Father
God.
Start worry. That could have been us. You sending mommy, Brian cook chicken breast again.
Man, start worry because the last time him tackled chicken breast on Mother's Day, it was not pleasant.
It's just a bit gummy, guys. It's a bit
But
gummy.
it never gummy, it was bun.
It was gummy. Sure.
Because Brian cooked fried chicken breast and no put it in no flour. Brian put the bare chicken breast in the aisle. You know, like when you go and cook fricassee chicken, but him fry it right through in bare oil. Yes. Oh God.
I never remember that. You have to forget the mistakes of the past.
And then Bria give out, this does not taste good. Bella was too young. Bella was too young, so she wasn't eating any. But the Bella no.
Bella would wreck my career. If Bria nice.
No, Bria would not say anything. No.
Bria is nice.
But Bella? Father God. Bella would probably go.
What is this, Daddy? Daddy, don't go back in the kitchen again. No. Leave it to mommy.
Sound like something Bella would say. But yeah, what do you think? If your partner does not know how to do something, do you tell them? Of course, in a nice and loving way, of course.
Real way, even though it's nice and loving, just make sure it's real.
Do you help them to get better? Or do you complain to your friends?
Or
family and don't say anything to your partner? Let us know in the comments. Okay? Alright guys, so we're on our way to Gospel Star.
We have to put it in another vlog because this is too long.
I know, but we're on our way to Gospel Star. No. And today is the first episode of season 3, and I'll be hosting. I'm excited and we're ready to go. So see you in the next video. Bye. Jamaica Gospel Star 2023 is off to a fantastic start, and voting lines are now open until 6 p.m. on Saturday.
Stuff from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope